Hello, good evening, guys. Okay, so let us look at the gold market and let us prepare for next week. Okay, so if you look at this weekly time frame over here, so we can see that the price closed very bullish on the weekly. Okay, so we go to this daily time frame. This is what normally Danny will do. Okay, we do a top-down analysis, which means we go to the highest time frame to look at overall directions. Okay, so it's still bullish. Okay, then we go to a weekly, then we see that actually close very bullish. So in case in future the price drop over here, we have a very strong base over here, demand zone, and also it's a very strong bullish engulfing for weekly. Okay, so this is for the future planning. All right, and then we go to this daily also is very three bullish candles. Okay, some people they name it three white soldiers or whatever things. Okay, you will name it, so it's up to you. Okay, so it's already broken this previous high here. Okay, the previous all-time highs, so it is still looking very bullish. Okay, and there's no major rejection actually basically formed in the daily candle. Okay, so we expect probably still bullish. And then we go to a H4 time frame. So if you look at this H4 time frame, what do we see over here? This one actually is the Danny's most favorite base over here. Okay, it's a RBR. Okay, that if you can see, it's a rally base rally. Okay, so this one actually is a very fresh demand zone over here. Okay, if we go to H1, so if you look at H1, so what do we see here? H1, we have a bearish engulfing over here. Okay, so this is the reason why they mark the zone over here. Okay, from 40 to 45. Okay, it's a bearish engulfing. But H1, okay, first of all we need to look at the current geopolitical situations. Okay, where the US and China, they having the dispute on all these tariff. Okay, so if the war is still carry on, we could always expect the price to very bullish. Okay, it could actually potentially break up these things, break up this zone. Okay, and also these 2 days we having a no trade days, but the market is still actually going on. Okay, so tomorrow we could either see the price actually break up from this zone. Okay, or you could actually already tap into this on the zone, only you will fall. Okay, then we need to look at the price action again tomorrow. Okay, so if the price actually manage to break up and close above this zone, so it's a very good indication for us that we wait for the retracement back to this zone and we continue buy. Okay, or if the price actually reject from the zone here and slowly break up this trend line. Okay, even though you break up the trend line, doesn't mean that you will still go down. Okay, we always have to go back to this bigger time frame, which is H4. So what do we have here? Is a demand zone over here. Okay, unless if you want to have very confidence to sell, the price have to break below this support area. So let us mark the zone over here. This support over here. Okay, unless the price for tomorrow candle have to break below this support area, break and close below here. Okay, so if we go to this H1 again, okay, if you have to break up from this trend line and close below this the support area. Okay, we wait for the price to retrace, only then we decide again, okay, whether to look for sell or not. Otherwise, if price break above this zone, we stand by for the price to retrace and we continue buying. All right, so good luck.